The building envelope is the protective skin of a building, separating the conditioned and unconditioned environments. It's essentially a barrier between the indoors and outdoors, including the resistance to air, water, heat, light, and noise transfer. Here are the main components of a building envelope. Walls. These are the vertical elements of the envelope that separate the interior from the exterior. They can be made of various materials, including brick, concrete, wood, and metal. Roof. The roof is the uppermost part of the building envelope that protects the building from the elements. Roofs can be flat, pitched, or curved and can be made from a variety of materials, such as shingles, metal, slate, or tile. Foundation. The foundation is the lowest part of the building envelope that transfers the weight of the building to the ground. Foundations can be made of concrete, stone, or brick. Doors. Doors are openings in the building envelope that allow people and things to enter and exit the building. Doors can be made of wood, metal, glass, or other materials. Windows. Windows are openings in the building envelope that allow light and ventilation into the building. Windows can be made of glass, metal, or wood. The design of the building envelope is important for a number of reasons. It can affect the energy efficiency of the building, the comfort of the occupants, and the durability of the building. Building envelope specialists consider these factors during the design process to create an envelope that meets the needs of the building and its occupants. Thanks for listening. Check out the description for books related to building services.